Good morning children. In this video we are going to see exercise 3.2 first and second sum. These two sums is based on the same property. The property is sum of exterior angle of any polygon. Sum of exterior angles of any polygon will be 360 degree. If it is a triangle, if it is a quadrilateral, or else if it is a pentagon, any type of polygon, if you add all the external angle, if you add all the external angle, answer will be 360, and here also the answer will be 360. In this we are going to find what is the unknown angle. Here one unknown angle is given x, and how to find the angle? We have to make use of this property to find the angle. So we already know the sum of exterior angle is 360 degree, right children? So I have to add, this is the first sum, I have to add all the three angles. So I am adding 125 plus 125 degree plus x, that is equal to 360 degree. As of this property, we know if you add all the three angle, answer should be 360 degree. So now if I am adding this two angle, I should add this two because x I cannot add. So I am adding this two. Answer will be 250 degree plus x, that is equal to 360. So now the unknown angle I should find x. What is that x? This 250 degree will move this side as minus 250 degree. Okay children. So minus 360 minus 250, 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 5 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. So x will be equal to 110 degree. So this unknown angle is 110 degree. Okay children. So this is the first sum. Use the same property for the second sum also. See here, if it is here 90 degree, I have to add all the outside angles. So first 70 degree is given, here 60 is there, this is 90 degrees. Here if this symbol is like this, it is understood, it is 90. So in this angle I do not know. How to find out this angle? This is called as a linear pair angle. If one is 90 degree, then this is also 90 degree. If you add this two, if the ray is like this, if this is 90 degree, and automatically this also should be 90 degree, then only the addition will be 180. So here also 90 degree. So if I add all the external angles, first I am starting from here, 70 degree plus x plus 90 degree plus 60 degree plus again this 90 degree will be equals to the sum, how much? 360 degree. For any polygon, the sum of external angle will be 360 degree. So leaving alone this x, I am adding 70, 90, 60, then again 90. What will be the addition? Addition will be 310 degree plus x, that is equal to 360. Now I want this x. So x is equal to 360 degree. This 310 will come this side as 300 minus 310 degree. So the answer will be 50 degree. So this unknown angle x, here this angle will be 50 degree. You can check children. So 50, 90, 60, 90 and 70. You add and see, the addition will be exactly 360 degree.